Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 2433 named Find the Original Array of Prefix XOR. So here we are given a integer array named prefix of size n. Now we have to find the original array of size n that specifies such that prefix of I is the XOR of all of the elements from 0 to I in the original array. And here we have to return the original array. In the first example, the prefix array is 5, 2, 0, 3, and 1. So here the original array is 5, 7, 2, 3, and 2. How this comes from? Here this 5 is exactly equal to this 5. The XOR of 5 and 7 is equal to 2. The XOR of 5, 7, and 2 is equal to 0. The XOR of 5, 7, 2, and 3 is 3. And the XOR of 5, 7, 2, 3, and 2 is 1. So here, if this is the prefix, then it is the original array. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Here, to understand the algorithm, we have taken the first example. The array contains 5 elements, which is 5, 2, 0, 3, and 1. And the output will be 5, 7, 2, 3, and 2. Okay. Now, here, let's try to understand the XOR operation between 5 and 7. Okay. The value of 5 is 101 and the value of 7 is 111 in the binary format. And their XOR will be 110, 011, 110. And it is 2. Okay. That means here the XOR of 5 and 7 is 2. Okay, now find another XOR which is 5 of 101 and 2 which is 010. So here the XOR will be 1, 1, and 1, which is 7. Surprisingly, let's try to understand the pattern. Here the XOR of 5 and 7 is 2 and the XOR of 5 and 2 is 7. And this convention is equal for all of the integers. So we can say that if A XOR B is equal to C, then A XOR C will is equal to B. Here A, B, C are the positive integers. This is the basic convention. Now, to find the first output 5, we will perform or take the first element of the prefix array, which is 5. Now, to perform or to get the second element 7, it will be prefix of 5 and 2. 5 XOR 2. Now, to get the third element 2, it will be the prefix of 5, 2, and 0. Similarly, to get the element 3, it will be the XOR of 5, 2, 0, and 1. And finally, for this element 2, it is the result of XORing all of the element 5, 2, 0, 3, and 1. So here, this is the algorithm. To find the output array, we have to simply perform the XOR operation on the prefix element, and we will get the corresponding output. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named findArray, which is a vector as a parameter. And we are taking one vector answer to store the answer. Now we are inserting the first element of the input to the answer. Now we are running a loop from 1 to n and calculating the XOR of I minus 1 to a of I, and finally we have to store the x into the answer. Finally, we have to return it. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching this video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.